In the teachings of Buddhism, nothing happens without a reason. You are on the brink of discovering a path that can lead you to prosperity, joy, and fulfillment. One of the foundational principles of Buddhism is the power of intention. What you think and desire deeply influences your reality. Intention acts like a compass, guiding your actions and decisions. If you want to attract wealth, it's essential to cultivate a clear and focused intention around it. When you set your intention towards abundance, you open your mind and heart to opportunities you may have overlooked before. Intentionality is about being purposeful in your thoughts, actions, and choices. To help you on this journey, start by asking yourself, what does wealth mean to me? Why do I want to be rich? How will financial abundance change my life and the lives of those around me? As you ponder these questions, allow your answers to sink in. Write them down, visualize them, and repeat them as affirmations. Each day, remind yourself that you are worthy of wealth and that it is within your reach. Cultivating mindfulness. Mindfulness is a cornerstone of Buddhist practice, and it plays a crucial role in attracting wealth. By being fully present in your life, you become aware of the opportunities that surround you. This awareness is key to identifying paths to financial growth. Here are some mindfulness practices to help you cultivate a wealth-attracting mindset. Meditative breathing. Set aside a few minutes each day to focus on your breath. Inhale deeply, and as you exhale, visualize releasing any limiting beliefs around money. Imagine welcoming abundance with every inhale. Gratitude. Journaling. Each day, write down 3 things you are grateful for regarding your financial situation. It could be small wins, supportive relationships, or simply having a place to call home. Gratitude shifts your focus from scarcity to abundance. Mindful spending. Pay attention to your spending habits. Before making a purchase, ask yourself if it aligns with your financial goals. Mindful spending allows you to make conscious choices that reflect your intentions. The law of attraction is often discussed in spiritual circles, and it aligns perfectly with Buddhist teachings. This principle states that like attracts like. Positive thoughts and feelings attract positive outcomes. To harness this law, begin by cultivating a positive mindset around wealth. This means replacing negative thoughts, such as, I can't afford that, or money is hard to come by, with empowering affirmations like, I am open to receiving wealth, or abundance flows to me effortlessly. Surround yourself with positivity. Engage with materials, books, podcasts, videos that inspire you to think abundantly. Connect with people who share your vision of prosperity and support each other in your financial journeys. Remember, the energy you emit will attract similar energies back into your life. An abundance mindset contrasts sharply with a scarcity mindset. While a scarcity mindset focuses on limitations and fears of lack, an abundance mindset recognizes the endless possibilities available to us. Here's how to shift towards an abundance mindset. Instead of seeing obstacles as barriers, view them as opportunities for growth. Every challenge offers a lesson that can lead you closer to your financial goals. Celebrate others' success. Rather than feeling envious when someone else succeeds, celebrate their achievements. This practice reinforces the belief that wealth is plentiful and available to everyone, including you. Invest in learning. Education is a powerful tool for cultivating an abundance mindset. Whether through formal classes or self-study, enhancing your skills and knowledge opens doors to new opportunities and income streams. Sometimes, unconscious blockages can prevent us from attracting the wealth we desire. These may stem from past experiences, fears, or inherited beliefs about money. To identify and clear these blockages, consider the following practices. Reflect on your childhood experiences with money. What messages did you receive about wealth? Understanding these early beliefs can help you release any negative patterns that no longer serve you. Acknowledge any fears or anxieties you have regarding money. Instead of avoiding these feelings, confront them. Write about your fears, and then rewrite your narrative by transforming these fears into empowering beliefs. Explore practices such as Reiki, acupuncture, or chakra balancing. These modalities can help release energetic blockages that may be hindering your ability to attract wealth. While intention and mindset are vital, taking action is equally important. Wealth is often a result of aligned action toward your goals. Here are practical steps you can take. Create a financial plan. Outline your financial goals, both short-term and long-term. Break them down into actionable steps and create a timeline for achieving them. Diversify income streams. Explore various ways to generate income. This could include side hustles, investments, or passive income opportunities. Diversifying your income can provide financial security and open up new avenues for wealth. Surround yourself with individuals who inspire and challenge you. Networking can lead to collaborations and opportunities that may not be available through conventional means. Change is a natural part of the journey towards wealth. As you embark on this path, be open to adapting your plans and strategies. Trust the process and remain flexible as new opportunities present themselves. Remember that the universe often works in mysterious ways. Sometimes the richest experiences come from unexpected turns. Embrace change as a sign of growth and allow yourself to evolve along the way. As you absorb the insights shared in this script, remember that you are not seeing this by accident. You have the power to become rich, not just in financial terms, but in every aspect of life. You possess the wisdom of your experiences, the strength of your intentions, and the energy of your mindset. Trust in yourself, cultivate an abundant mindset, and take inspired action toward your goals. You are worthy of abundance, and it is within your reach. Embrace the journey ahead, and remember that the universe is supporting you every step of the way. As you align your thoughts, intentions, and actions, you will begin to notice the wonders that unfold in your life. Your journey begins now. Let today be the day you commit to embracing your wealth journey. Take a moment to reflect on your intentions, set your goals, and visualize the life you wish to create. The universe is waiting to respond to your desires. Are you ready to take the leap? By cultivating mindfulness, setting clear intentions, and taking aligned actions, you will pave the way for a life filled with richness, abundance, and joy. This script reflects the principles of Buddhism, encouraging readers to harness the power of intention, mindfulness, and positive action to attract wealth into their lives. It serves as a guide for anyone looking to shift their financial reality and embrace a prosperous future. This script reflects the principles of Buddhism, encouraging readers to harness the power of intention, mindfulness, and positive action to attract wealth into their lives. It serves as a guide for anyone looking to shift their financial reality and embrace a prosperous future.